Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting what you need: the failing host names, affected devices, and current DNS server addresses. Use EndsLookup or DigNow to query a known name against each server so you see where resolution stops. Once done, log the exact responses and error codes, timeouts versus nxdomain, because that tells you whether the issue is network, caching, or authoritative. Make sure to keep your router admin credentials ready so you can change server settings immediately. Now you move into the core diagnosis. Compare answers from your device, router, ISP, and a public resolver. If public DNS resolves and ISP does not, you likely have an upstream filtering or cache corruption. Flush caches on your device and router, then repeat queries to confirm change. If necessary, reconfigure devices to use a trusted public resolver temporarily and test multiple host names and subdomains. This isolates whether the fault is local caching. Finish by applying the permanent fix. Either restore corrected DNS entries, shorten TTLs if propagating, or set stable public servers in your DHCP/router. Reboot affected devices and verify name resolution from multiple clients and offsite networks to confirm propagation. If problems persist, capture a packet trace and inspect DNS responses to find mismatches at the authoritative server or broken delegations. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, compare authority and additional sections in a raw dig output to see delegation or SOA inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.